Hey guys, my name is Felix and I'm the founder of Domino Chinese. I came to China, that we have behind me here, about 5 years ago, and at that point I didn't speak a word of Chinese, but I really wanted to learn though. So I went through loads of different classrooms, but I always ended up being the worst student and I just gave up at the end. So instead I tried to learn it on my own, and that went quite well. So now I'm actually able to, 5 years later, I've made my course that doesn't only work for me, but works for everyone else as well. So if you now happen to want to learn Chinese, and maybe you've even gone through the struggles, then this course is for those who've struggled, and hopefully for those who don't have to struggle in the future either. So this course, basically one of the things we do is we take real China, we can call it. So we record things in its actual real context, and this behind me here is the mountains that you can find on the 20 renminbi bill as well. Oh, very interesting indeed. Most courses out there will just waste your time with meaningless phrases. Instead, we've taken our time to actually think about what's needed to teach you this wonderful language. So you'll notice throughout the course how everything is connected, and hence the domino effect there as well, where one piece knocks down the next one, and that makes it all stick together. And that with proper planning and momentum, you can really learn the language very easily like that. And that's what we've done with this entire language. All very exciting. Oh, so we've got 50,000 students, and probably at the time that you're watching this video, more so. And they've all given wonderful reviews to us. And these are people then who previously struggled a lot, but with our course they managed to just push away their fears and actually learn Chinese. And they've got, many of our students now have also got successful careers in China now, and just speaking Chinese or using Chinese in one way or another. So if you want to become one of them, just make sure you sign up to our course as well. These students then have been able to get skills, or acquired skills, that are the equivalent of people who study HSK, which is basically the standard test that everyone has to take. So taking that usually takes 2 years to pass HSK level 4. We managed to do that with students in only 9 weeks. Yes. So I've been able to do it. I'm the first template. Now many people behind me as well have been able to do it. Domino Chinese students, that is. And now you're up next. So yeah, let's see if we can succeed together. Good luck, and I'll see you inside the course. Bye bye. By the way guys, this is a dragon boat, and it's actually the longest one in this province. It's 60 meters long, and it can hold up to 120 people. Come to China, join us, and you'll get plenty more of this. This is China culture. This.